clear, but it is getting hotter and hotter by the second. Another day of it.
You said it best a few minutes ago. Looks could be deceiving today when you look outside from our Skycam shots because we don't have a lot of rain. There are a couple of pop-up showers now starting to develop, but they're pretty small and few and far between. The heat, though, that's what you can't see from the Skycams, and it's going to be pretty rough for us this afternoon. So, starting at 1 o'clock, we have a 9 first warning weather alert day in effect, and what this means is basically we're just giving you that extra heads up that we do have significant heat and humidity in the forecast today, and we could see heat index values well over 100 degrees, and some of you are already over 100 degrees, and it's only 12:47. Also, the National Weather Service at 1 o'clock has issued a heat advisory for every county here in the tri-state, and that means that heat index will climb over 100, especially between 3 and 7 o'clock this afternoon and evening. That's when we'll be at our hottest. Air temperatures will be above 90 degrees in a few locations, so the combination of the heat and humidity is going to make it fairly rough for us if you have to be out for an extended period of time today. If you do, you know the drill. Play it safe. Try and take those breaks indoors. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. And if you can, just avoid being outside for that extended period of time. I know some of you have to work in it, though, so you can't. Here's a look at current temperatures. Upper 80s to near 90. Hillsboro, Georgetown, already at 90. We're at 88 in Union, Lawrenceburg, 89 in Middletown, and Cincinnati. Current temperature coming in at 87. But remember, it's not just the heat. It's the humidity. The humidity is what makes it feel so nasty out there. And check it out, a 104 heat index right now in Lebanon and Vevey. We're at 101 for the current heat index in Georgetown. It feels like 99 in Batavia. Union and Lawrenceburg feels like 98. And this is only going to continue to climb area-wide through the rest of your day today. That's what we're watching right now for you, for your story as we head into the afternoon. So from these upper 90-degree heat index to on average between 101 and 104 from 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 o'clock this evening. Finally, by 8, we drop below 100 degrees for the heat index, but it will still feel like it's in the mid-90s as air temperatures start to fall back into the 80s. And I know a lot of you are going to be out this afternoon and this evening in the heat because, of course, it's Friday and we have a lot going on tonight, from the Cincinnati Blues Fest to also the big game at Paul Brown Stadium, our first preseason game. Yeah, we've got a lot to talk about. So here's that isolated shower, northern Clinton County. That's all I'm seeing on 9 first warning Doppler at the moment. We'll see a couple more pop up, but it's not going to be a widespread rain risk today. It'll be similar to yesterday with just a few hit and miss storms. So here's a look at that forecast tonight. The Vikings are in town, so if you are heading to Paul Brown Stadium, tailgaters, you'll be the hottest. It will be hottest as you're tailgating between 5 and 7 o'clock. Temperatures into the upper 80s and low 90s. There is that chance for a pop-up shower too, but the bigger story will be that heat index that will feel more like 101 to 104. 87 temperature for kickoff tonight. Partly cloudy skies. Again, an isolated shower chance lasting through the day today and into the evening. But that 82 by fourth quarter will feel like it's into the upper 80s with the heat index out there. So it's feeling hot even as we start to see things quieting down later today and the sunset. Now we got to talk about your 9 first warning for tomorrow and another 9 first warning weather alert day. But instead of being for heat, this one's for the flood potential. Everybody under a flash flood watch that begins at 2 o'clock Saturday. It expires at 8 o'clock Sunday. It could even be extended into Monday. And here's the reason why. We've got a cold front on the way. It's currently up towards Chicago. Not much of a rain risk with it today, but as we approach Saturday morning, some showers will already start to break out. Saturday afternoon, we continue with the heavy rainfall. Sunday, we continue with the heavy rainfall, and even into Monday as well. And speaking of Monday, check out rain totals by the time we get from Saturday into Monday. We're well over 2 inches of rain area-wide. Some models want to project even over 3 inches of rain, and this is why we have your 9 first warning weather alert day for the flood potential beginning Saturday afternoon and into Sunday. Julie, I've got your 7-day outlook coming up in just a couple of minutes.
Yes, sir.